We are going to learn the different parts of the heart, and we'll be able to label them. Now let's dive into the video. The human heart is a muscular organ of the cardiovascular system, which is very vital for life. Its parts work together to move the blood through the body in a coordinated way. It constantly sends oxygen to our cells and takes away wastes. The waste may include the products which are no longer needed by our body, for example, carbon dioxide. Now let's locate the heart. The heart is located in the thorax cavity and is protected by the rib cage. The heart is surrounded by the lungs and is slightly moved towards the left. The heart is then divided into two parts, the right part and the left part. Both of these halves are then further divided into chambers. The upper chambers are known as the atrium, while the lower chambers are known as the ventricles. Now let's locate the atrium and the ventricles on the diagram. Here we have the right atrium located at the upper end of the heart. Then the left ventricle on the left end of the heart. Similarly goes for the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Your right atrium and the right ventricle are separated by tricuspid valve, and the left atrium and the left ventricle are separated by the bicuspid valve. The major usage and characteristic of these valves is to prevent the backflow of the blood back into the atrium. Tri means 3 and bi means 2. Then we have the aorta. The aorta is the enlarged artery. The aorta carries oxygenated blood from the heart to different parts of the body. The aorta is then curled downwards to form the dorsal aorta. The major difference between the aorta and the dorsal aorta is that the aorta carries oxygenated blood to the upper part of the body, which includes our head, neck, and arms, while the dorsal aorta carries oxygenated blood to the lower part of our body, which includes our limbs, pancreas, kidneys, and liver. Then we have the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava have the function opposite to the aorta. Both of these carries deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body to the heart, from where it is oxidized. The superior vena cava carries deoxidized blood from the upper part, and the inferior vena cava carries deoxidized blood from the lower parts. Then we have the ventricular septum. It only differentiates or separates the two